Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about how to construct three-point perspective. Now to understand three-point perspective, I'm going to give you a basic understanding of it. Three-point perspective is an advanced drawing technique used to create realistic three-dimensional scenes. Unlike one or two-point perspective, which rely on one or two vanishing points, three-point perspective, as the name suggests, adds a third vanishing point, creating a greater sense of depth and space. Now here we are going to start by drawing our horizon line and then placing two vanishing points on the horizon line and one above the horizon line. That's our third vanishing point. Now I'm going to start by constructing the cube on the horizon line, joining the vanishing line to the vanishing points on the sides. Now here, after defining the depth of the cube, as you can see, I'm placing the points to define the depth. I'm drawing the vanishing lines to the third vanishing point that we have placed above the horizon line. Always make sure to darken the edges as it helps our rough sketch look a little cleaned. Now we will construct the cube below the horizon line. Again, defining the depth. Now we will join these vanishing lines to the third vanishing points. Now in here also, the top plane will be constructed as same we did constructed in the two-point perspective video. Now in three-point perspective, when we construct a cube above the horizon line, the third vanishing point will move below the horizon line. Now here we have completed the construction of the three-point perspective. But here I also have another example so that you can get a better understanding of the concept. Here the first thing that I have done is making sure to join the vanishing line to the two vanishing points on the horizon line so as in to understand the placement of the cubes. As here I have too many lines, so I made sure to put the points on the intersections that will define the top plane of the cube. As our video comes to an end, and also the series of the basics of the perspective, I would like to give you some tips and tricks to enhance your 3-point perspective drawings. Practice is again the key. So start by sketching simple objects and experiment with different angles and composition. Now that wraps up our learning of 3-point perspective. I really do hope that you find this video informative and inspiring. Don't forget to practice, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the process. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more art related content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye bye.